What up, what up, what up, what up, what up, YouTube? Welcome back to another episode. We're doing a lot of episodes of the Bird's Eye View show this week because there's a lot going on. So I'm back with another one. So you can tell by the title of the video, it's all about Target right now. And you're probably wondering, like, why am I interested in Target? Target has basically been cut in half while Walmart doubled over the past, 3 to 5-ish years, basically since COVID. All right, so here's the stitch. Target has, of course, like, major brand awareness, right? Yet, as you can see by on the screen, they are, valued, a lot lower than they've been in the past. So they've made some recent moves. I can give y'all a little bit of information. They appointed Michael Fidelke, I think that's how you say it. Excuse me if I'm wrong. He's a seasoned insider. See, the thing is, they hired an insider, and I think it would have been smarter to bring in some fresh meat, some super duper fresh meat. So, like, he was already there. So it's like, I mean, not saying he was like part of the problem, but like he was part of the situation that has him where they're at now. So I think it would have been smarter to appoint, somebody that is brand new, from maybe even from a different industry, just with a different leadership style. But maybe he's just about to hit the ground rolling, and analysts are expecting him to. So effective February 2026 is when he'll be officially taking the helm. They plan to invest $4 to $5 billion in store enhancements, supply chain upgrades, and technology to reignite the store growth. Now, I will say it's been the whole woke DI, like LGBTQ, everything. It's been all the extraness that's made them not get everybody's dollar the way that they've been traditionally. There's a whole movement behind, like, telling black folks to just not shop at Target anymore. And I feel like if they would have not kind of been so open and out there with everything right off the rip, then it wouldn't have alienated so much of their regular customer base. But with new leadership and the faults laid out on the table, it's like, what I'm saying, folks know what's wrong, folks know what the problem is. Well, am I gonna close that? I am gonna close that. Sorry, I was looking at a trade that was going towards my stop loss and profit, and I was like, might as well go ahead and get out of it. But why I think it's a good buy. There are other folks that have done analysis and have price targets and whatnot based off the fact that it's Target, guys. Target took a hit. They're gonna recover. What goes up must come down. Not in everything, not in everywhere, but when it comes to these, really, really extra branded and based companies, it's a lot more likely, to see their recovery. They're taking a crazy hit, getting cut in half. They still have the ability to invest $4.4 to $5 billion in themselves. So definitely has the ability to see quite a lot of upside. I will say I'm just setting some short-term price targets. I'll say we'll probably start climbing into this realm of the 110, 119 again. I would give it maybe a month or two, maybe 3-ish. I believe by the end of the year, the price will start recovering due to the fact that we're getting closer to the change of leadership, and they're probably going to announce more changes and enhancements to do better and be better for their customers. So I'm taking a safe small position on my Interactive Brokers account with I've already taken it. I'm already actually in it. Just kind of announcing the move to everybody. And then once we see price really start turning around and we get like a close above this 109, then I'll be confident in adding to my position checking on target, seeing how they're doing, seeing what you know what I'm saying, what how they're making the headlines and whatnot, and we'll add to the position, take some profits off the top, whatever it may be, come time for that. But I just wanted to pop in and give y'all this quick little drop on target. It's I'm not gonna say it's 1,000%, but this is one of those more surefire ones. You know what I'm saying? You can kind of roll with the big dogs with this one, and you know what I'm saying, you're not worried about some random company just like flailing out of the sky. This is Target we're talking about. So make sure y'all trade safe, trade smart, and trade drippy. All right. If y'all got some value out of this, make sure you hit that like button, that sub button, and that bell icon. All that's gonna tell the algorithm this is good content. All right. I love y'all. Make sure you're kind to somebody today. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one.